everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about something that happened recently because I'm kind of upset about it and I don't want people to think this way of me. But before I start this, I just want to say that I am doing a giveaway and you can enter on my last video. You can find out how on my last video. So I'm going to be giving away this green spiked collar, but I realized that wasn't that much, so I'm going to be adding on this one. There will be 2 different winners. So yeah, let's just get into the video. My intentions on this video is not to completely expose this person for being rude to me or others, I'm not really sure, but I do want to tell you guys about it because I don't want people to think this way of me. So this person right here commented on my video, and I was very kind of like upset about it. I was upset because of the comment that they wrote, because I don't want people to think this way of me, and I'm not sure, like, if they get mad at me for doing this, like, I don't know what to tell you, because they left a public comment that I now removed, but I just want to tell you, and I don't mean to expose this person once again, but kind of I am. So they told me that I was just desperate for views and likes and subscribers, so I'm just going to read you the comment. They said, "You seem pretty desperate for views and subs. You were rushing so hard in the video and are asking people to advertise for you? Haha, not worth it. Sorry." It's actually kind of funny how they put the sorry at the end, because that is the most unapologetic thing I have ever heard somebody say. They were very rude because I talk fast and I wanted to get to the point. I hate videos that are of giveaways and they just keep on going on and on about like how they're gonna do a giveaway, and then like a 7-minute long video of just about like talking about the giveaway and repeating themselves. Like, I wanted to get to the point and I didn't have that much time because it was like 9 o'clock at night and I wanted to go to bed. I think it was actually 10. So I just want to say I don't want people to think of me like that, and I was really upset by seeing this comment, so I think I'm just gonna go to their den and apologize to them for like making them think that way, I guess. Let's see. Oh, I don't remember. Hold on. I've gotta search it up again. Don't attack them, please. This is not a video trying to expose them once again. Not trying to be rude. And I'm going to gift them this one blanket. So let's just see what they think about it. I don't want them to feel like I'm desperate. So I'll be back if they come to their den. So I just sent them another gemogram saying, like, please come to your den, and I know that they're on because their trade list shows. So I know that they're not, like, just offline. Don't know what they're doing, but I just wish they would go to their den because I just really want to talk to them and ask them, like, why they would leave that comment, because I honestly felt like pretty bad about it. They left the comment an hour ago and I just figured I wanted to make a video on it. And like I said, this video was never meant to call people out. I kind of felt bad about the comment because my intention was to never, you know, be desperate for views, likes, and subscribers. I just wanted to do a giveaway. That's all. And I mean, I feel like I'm being generous by even doing a giveaway. So I wish they did not leave that comment, but hey, I wish I could like message them, but I can't. So guys, I honestly don't know what to do. I'm pretty sure they blocked me because I can't write on their gemmer wall and it's open. I just feel pretty awful because I really want to apologize to this person, but they're not responding, so and they just locked me out. I honestly feel kind of awful, like, um, yeah, oh well. I'd like to thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye!